It's hot. I love this. I'm so excited. It's so hot, y'all. These lights. I am like obsessing over it. I'm messing with stuff. Okay, it's hot. What's that? Hey guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, hit that bell button right next to it so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. Also, go follow me on all my social medias at JIMIP_. We are lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure y'all go follow me on there. So today, I'm bringing y'all a hair review. I received some hair from Amazon, Donmily hair. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, I received some hair from Donmily hair from Amazon. I didn't even know Amazon sold hair. So when they reached out to me, I was just like, what? Like, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was real skeptical because I'm like, they were really nice as far as like contacting me and everything, but let's just get into it because I just want to tell y'all about this hair. So they had sent me the hair and I got the inches 12, 14, 16 and a 12-inch closure. So they did come separately. I'm not sure why, but they came separately. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did a whole rant about the fact that it came separate, number one, and number two, my closure, they literally just weren't trying to deliver my closure. Like, oh my God, I don't know if they wanted my hair or what, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen everything when it went down. I had so much trouble getting the closure, but the actual hair came right on time. It wasn't Amazon's fault, the seller's fault at all as to why it took so long to come. It was actually UPS's fault, so I can't even be mad about that. And they got an earful, okay? Because your girl don't play about her packages. So this is the box. It comes in this, you know, the regular Amazon little thing. I have Prime, so it comes in that. And yeah, so this is the box that it comes in. It's really cute, really cute. So let's open it up. I already looked at it, so I'm just gonna fake like I'm being surprised right now. Ooh, I have my 3 bundles in here. Let me pull them out. I got the 3 bundles in here, and I also have a pair of lashes, which I like. That was so nice of them. Like, they sent me lashes too with it. I think everybody gets lashes with it, so that's really cute. I like that. And then this is the closure. Now I took the closure out of the pack because it did come separately, but this is the closure right here. So let's just start with the closure. I am obsessed with this closure, y'all. It is, I don't know what it is. I don't do closures. Like, I've never done closures. I've always did either like frontals or just like my regular hair. So this is actually my first time doing like a real live closure. So I'm like really hyped about this. I don't know how closures really look, so I don't know if I should be impressed, but I'm actually really impressed. Like, it's really big. Like, I didn't think it was going to be this big. The net isn't like, you know, like silky see-through type of thing, but I feel like it's definitely good quality. I definitely feel like it's really good quality. The hair itself for the closure, oh my God, it's so soft. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I thought this was gonna be trash. I'm like, oh my God, this is gonna be trash. Like, it's from Amazon. Like, it can't be that good. No, and it's really inexpensive. So I'm getting ahead of myself. I believe the hair was $114, I want to say, and that's really good. And the hair is just so soft. It's legit soft. I'm not even playing, y'all. Yeah, I got the Malaysian body wave. So this is the 12-inch closure right here. The hair is legit soft as hell. Like, oh my God, I really didn't think it was gonna be this soft. And it doesn't smell like corn chips. Like, how y'all know how some of the like hair be smelling like, you know, the fake hair that be so it legit smells like corn chips. No, it does not smell like corn chips. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like pack hair, honestly. But this is definitely not pack hair. So I'm running my fingers through it. And I've already done this because I just needed to test it out. I don't have any hair coming off so far, but you know, it is new, so you never know. Okay, so one strand came off, but I'm legit running my fingers through it, so of course some strands are gonna come out. But yeah, this is a really nice closure. It's really thick, and I'm gonna have to like tease it a little bit just to make it more like look realistic or whatever. But I love this closure. I'm obsessed, and I cannot wait to get a wig made out of this. Y'all are gonna love it, and I'm gonna dye it too because I really want to know how it dyes. Like seriously, I love this closure. Now let's get into these bundles. The inch is on the packaging, so it'll say like at the end what number it is. So this is the 12 inch, this is the 14 inch, and this is the 16 inch. So let me just start off with the 12 inch. Okay, so this is the 12 inch. The wefts are really, really thick. Like this is a good size bundle of hair. Like that's a lot of hair in one pack. Like I don't even know how I'm gonna fit all of this onto it. But yeah, this is the 12 inch, and this is the wave. At first on the online, when I looked at the wave, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like this kind of wave, because like they had sent me the first wave that they had sent me was really, really pretty, and then they sent me this one. I'm like, okay, like this is cute too, but I really love the other one. But when I seen this, I'm like, oh my god, like this is so pretty. Like I didn't think it was gonna be like this. I cannot wait. I have a hairstyle I already can't wait to do with this, and like a color and everything. But yeah, this is the wave. It's really, really, really soft, y'all. Like legit, it's soft as hell. Like it's legit soft, and it's bouncy. It's so cute. And this one doesn't stink either. They really do smell like pack hair though, but I'd rather my hair smell like pack hair than for it to smell like corn chips. This is the 14 inch. It comes in a little net and everything just to keep the hair in place. The first one didn't because I had took it off already, but it comes in a little net. So this is my first time actually like touching the 14 inch. The 14 inch is soft as well. The wefts are still thick and still like, you know, a good size, a good amount of hair. It comes wrapped up in the little pink thing, and it says what does it say? Virgin human hair, 100% virgin hair. Really, really soft, really, really bouncy, lots of volume, and just so nice. I like the ends. I love that the ends aren't like straggly. I hate when the ends are like really, really straggly. This is really nice. I love this. So this is the 12 inch, and this is the 14 inch. So 14 and 12, and as you can see, it's definitely you know, longer. So I don't have a ruler or anything, but I can take a guess of how long I've been wearing hair. This is 12 inch. So this is it like pulled out, and then you see how it snaps right back. Oh my god, yeah. And this is the 14 inch pulled out. This is so pretty. Like I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like this is gonna look so cute on me. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. I cannot wait, y'all. I'm so excited. 16 inch. Now when you get to the 16 inch, you definitely do get a little bit less hair. But I mean, I would think that only because with longer hair, it definitely does like the bundles get like smaller, just because I think it's just more to get longer hair. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it definitely is less hair, but I feel like it's definitely still a good amount of hair. Definitely still a good amount of hair. And yeah, so this is the other one. I'm pulling through this one. No hair coming out either. Really, really nice. None of them are like giving me any like straggles, like any loose hair. What the fuck was that? Any loose hair. Yeah. So this is this one. I feel like because this one is longer, it's not as like the curl isn't as like defined as the smaller, like the shorter ones. But yeah, because you can definitely tell the difference as far as like the curl. Well, actually, no, yeah, you can. I don't know if y'all can, but yeah, you can. But I really feel like because as long as I've been wearing hair, I feel like it's because of the length. That's really what it is. But yeah, this is so pretty. So this is the 14. Let me put them all up together. All right. So this is the 14. This is the 12, 14, 16. So that is the bundles. This is a good amount of hair. Like, look at all this hair. Look at all this hair. The shipping, because I got 2-day shipping with Prime, it was really fast. I think it comes like within a week if you order it without Prime. It was supposed to come that following Friday. So yeah, I ordered it Friday. It was supposed to come that following Friday if I didn't get Prime. So communicating with the actual hair company was really good as well. They were really fast about communicating back with me, and they were really clear about everything. They sent pictures and everything. So I know if they're good with me, I know they'll be good with you all as well. It was $140 for 3 bundles and a closure. Like, how does that even make sense? Like, how does that add up? Like, that is really, really good. Really, really good. I love this closure as well. So this is the closure. It's a 12-inch closure. So yeah, that's about right. I just put it up to the hair with the actual 12-inch bundle. So that's about right. And yeah, I'm so excited. I wish I could, like, I got a bun, but that is gonna be fire, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God, I don't mess up my hair. I'm about to go out with y'all, but y'all, look, y'all, hold up. Can y'all see this? I hope I can see this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pluck it. It's the people were saying, like, when you get like closures, like, you don't want them thick just because it's like it's like a lot more plucking that you have to do to make it look more realistic. But I feel like I would rather it come thick than for it to come like not thick. If I had this in my ponytail, that would be so cute. Anyway, hold on, let me see. I love this hair so much. Okay, let me try. Hold on, y'all. Okay, look at that. That's gonna blend like seamlessly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pluck it. Y'all can't, it's hard to tell right now, y'all, because I have my bun on. But yeah, that is gonna be fire, like, for real. So I'm gonna dye it and everything. I'm gonna bleach it and just test that out and see like what colors look good, and see if it takes well with bleach. So y'all will definitely be getting an update from me. The hair game is changing because Amazon is selling hair, y'all. That's so crazy. Like, I never knew Amazon sold hair. So yeah, look at that. Can y'all see? I'm gonna see how it tastes with the bleach. Let me know down in the comment box what color y'all think I should do. First impression is everything, and first impression wise, this hair is doing it to me. This is it. I know this is like long, but y'all probably can't even see the length of it, but this is it. It's really bouncy, really pretty. My boob out. Thank you so much, Amazon Donmily hair. I really, really appreciate y'all sending me this hair. I cannot wait to test it out and just see like what colors look good in it and how everything looks. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram because I will be uploading some pictures of like the hair and what style I come up with. That's all for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, all of the hair information will be down in my description box, so make sure y'all go click that. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.